Some of you, the blessing you should be enjoying, some people are somewhere enjoying it. The promotion that is meant for you, for what you have done, for how you have labored, some people has been conferred with it. What you should be enjoying today is in the hand of another man. Another man is enjoying it. The office and position that is originally meant for you, somebody somewhere is making progress with it. Place your two hands on your head. Say, who stole my promotion? My Father, my God, arise, appear, and restore my promotion. Arise, appear, restore my promotion. Appear, restore my promotion. Restore my promotion. Restore my promotion. Restore my promotion. Pray, pray, pray. In Jesus' mighty name, it is restored.